So in this video, I'm going to talk about proximity searches. So let's get us a new search here. So maybe you do your let's say you do a moral values search, okay? And okay, that's quite a few results. But let's just say you start to think maybe they don't always say moral values. Maybe it's like values about morality. And so maybe it's not that exact phrase, okay? Or maybe when you're doing moral identity, okay, you start to think, well, maybe they're not just saying moral identity. Maybe some studies about moral identity, the terms in the title, the abstract, whatever, are not together, but it's like it's a study about morality and identity, of the role of morality in identity, or something like that. Well, then the phrase is going to miss out on those things. So what you would want to do is a proximity search. So there's two proximity searches. There's an N and a W. The N just means that, well, let me show you how it works. So you would put N, or moral N, and then a number, and then identity. So if N1 means there can be one word between moral and identity. So this could be like moral and identity, or identity and moral, or moral of identity, morality of identity, stuff like that. Okay, got it? So the number there is how many words can separate the two words that you're searching. When you use N, these can be in any order. So it can be identity, moral, some other word, identity, identity, some other word, moral. As long as they're within one word of each other, any order, or they could be right together like in our other search, it's going to find it. The W, it has to be still in the same order. So this is within, N is near, W is within. So the W for within means it has the same thing as the N search, but it has to be in this order. So this would only be picking up things with moral, something else, identity in this order. So yeah, so let's just try one of these. So if we do the N search, so right now we have 405. Let's see what happens when we do the N search. Should get us a few more. So we added 200. So there's 200 studies, references in here. Oh, so here's one right here. So see this one right here? It picked up on a paper that has them in another order and an and there. So the W shouldn't get us that many and won't get us that one. So this one is sort of between our initial search and our current search. So that's it. That's how to use proximity searches.